Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tanisa's Kitchen. And today we are going to be making gizzada. This is a Jamaican sweet treat or dessert item that everybody loves. The kids will love it, and the fact that you're all quarantined right now, it is a good time to try this dessert. Coconut is the main ingredient. I have about 2.5 cups coconut, which I have grated. It's about the same amount of sugar, 2.5 cups of sugar. I'm going to add that into my coconut. This is about 3 tablespoons of vanilla. About 2.5 teaspoons or just about a tablespoon of nutmeg. Ginger. I have a tablespoon of ginger, which I have grated. That's fresh ginger. And I have 3 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. To the filling, I'm going to be adding just a pinch of salt to add taste. I'm going to mix this in, moisten the sugar and get the coconut. These coconuts are so nice and fresh. I ate all the little pieces that were left from grating it. And that smells so good already. I'm gonna moisten this and then I am going to set it aside. And this is a relatively easy dish if you know how to do it. It might look complicated when you see it because it's such a delicate looking dessert. So I'm gonna combine everything together and I am going to set this aside, and we're going to do the dough. And this is just a puff pastry. That's 2.5 cups of flour, about a cup of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. The butter is chilled but softened. We're gonna mix this in. You can use your hands to do this. I just did that because I had the spatula to take out the butter. Not wasting any of the water. And I have some water, which the water is chilled. This is about a cup of water. I will not be using, I'll be using about half or 1/3 cup. This is going to be a nice flaky dough. You'll know when your dough is ready for your water. Your butter is incorporated in that, in your flour, and give you a nice crumbly look. It's about half cup. Let's put about half cup of water. I think we might need just a little bit more. not? That's it. Half cup of water to your 2.5 cups of flour. Don't need anything else. I'm gonna roll this into a ball and I'm gonna set it aside. I'm leaving these for about half an hour to an hour. If you look at the mixture, the filling mixture, you see it's getting moist. So I'm gonna just leave this until the sugar dissolves out, and then I'll come back. When you're grating your coconut, in order not to get cut or to have the coconut slip, do it in a circular motion. Like that. Much easier for you. Okay guys, so we have our gizzada dough and filling, and I'm gonna roll the dough out and separate it. Okay, this is nice and flaky. This is actually very flaky. I am making this into a nice little circle. This is super duper flaky. And you don't want your you want it nice and round and thin. And we're making a little basket for our filling, basically. This is a regular size gizzada. You can use a spoon to do this. Using your hands is for your family. It's fine. And that's our first gizzada. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay guys, so I have the oven preheated to 325 and I'm gonna bake these for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, this is your finished products. I hope you'll try the recipe and you will enjoy it. Have an amazing day.